Hi, welcome back to my channel. So for today, I'm not going to share with you about books, about politics, about other things. Just for today, I want to share with you about one trick. Where I think if you notice, my first video over here, when I started my YouTube, I do a spin of the books, like this. So do you know how I managed to do this? So let me teach you and see how I'm doing this, and hopefully one day you can also doing this. Okay, thank you very much for watching my video, and hopefully you can subscribe to my channels and also click like, press the bell. Actually, it's not so difficult to do the spinning of the books. I think I can see there's a Guinness Book of Record. That's one person, I think, from India trying to do this, for I think 46 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. You can learn how to spin the books. So I think the first thing you have to learn is that please pick the books that I think can spin by using your index fingers. So I think, for example, like if you pick a book which is I think small, even though it can do it, but I think it's a bit difficult, because it's too small and also difficult for you to spin with your own finger. It's not you're spinning with your other hand, but you have to spin with your another fingers. And if you pick another books, for example, like these books, probably a bit tough for you to spin, even though also can, but it's too heavy for your index fingers to spin. You also can use, for example, like very big books, but the problem is, sometimes your hand also cannot go in the middles of because you have to put your hand in the middles of the books. So in order for you to spin the books, but somehow it's a bit difficult for you to handle the books because the book is too big. So my suggestion is go to this kind of books, and then it's appropriate for you to spin. Even you use another different finger for you to spin the books, and also you can easily put in the middle of the books your index fingers. So, and also is big enough for you to do some to do the spinnings. Example like this. So easy for you to handle, and so require balance and everything. So it's easy to do that. Okay, my suggestion is pick first the books. Second, sometimes if your index finger is oily, and also very dry, and also watery, I think it's also difficult for you to spin. So make sure that your index finger also can stick in the middle of the books. That's why I normally use my saliva. So I just use like this. You just tap on your tongue, something like that. Then it can appear, something like a little bit. Because I don't know why this probably saliva can help you to glue your index finger to the books. For example, when I touch like this, I put in the finger, then I can start spinning. So you can see, I don't have to look at the book. So I just can spin, and just wait how long I can spin. It's not difficult, sometimes a bit boring. I got this idea how to do this, and sometimes when you read a lot of books, so you know what you want to do while reading the books. So that's why you just playing with the books, and also somehow you got the trick, how to spin the books. So probably that's only the idea coming from me. How suddenly, when I read a lot of books, then I think I try to spin the book. Then suddenly I managed to master the skills to spin the books. So at the beginning, I think it's a bit difficult because you have to try so many things, how you can spin the books, But you later on, sooner or later, you will get the ideas. After a lot of spinning, But once you got the skill, every time you do, you can do it easily. So like me, like this. In fact, sometimes I can, throw the books and catch back with my index fingers. Something like that. I see. Oh, cannot. See, you also can spin again. Okay, that's all from me. So just remember that pick a right books, put your index finger to the center of the box, hit a little bit, make it watery just a little bit, put in the middle, and start spinning. So that's the way how to do it. Woo. Thank you very much for watching my video. See you again next time.